Hi everyone, today I will show step by step to wear the magnetic eyelash on. Step 1. Remove the eyelash from the box. Step 2. You use the magnetic eyelash to measure the length of your eyelid. And if it's too long, you can cut it according to your desired length. Step 3. To separate the eyelashes, use your thumb and index finger to slowly push, both in an opposite side, and separate the eyelashes into two. Step 4. To indicate which is the top or the bottom of the eyelashes, all you need is to take a look at the magnet on the eyelashes. The magnet that isn't covered with hair are the ones that will be sticking together. Step 5. Always look for the shorter magnet which indicates the inner eyelid's position. And the same goes for the longer magnet which indicates the outer eyelids. Step 6. Take the magnetic clip and place both the eyelash on the clip. Make sure the eyelash is facing inwards towards the clip. Step 7. Align both magnets accordingly to the edge of the clip. Make sure to place them accordingly to the magnetic clip's alignment. Step 8. Bring the upper magnetic clip as close as possible to your upper eyelid. And move the bottom of the clip and stick it together. Remove the upper clip upwards. Step 9. After clipping the magnetic lashes together, simply use your hand to adjust and push it in a little more to ensure it is well positioned on your eyes. Step 10. To remove the eyelashes, bring your thumb and index finger, give it a little push on the side, and remove it from your eyes. Thank you for watching.